Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your JBL Tune 660 noise cancellation headphones. So first of all, before the reset, you have to remember to charge your headset for like 10 or 15 minutes by using this USB-C port. And then take a look. I'm currently connected with my iPhone, and after the reset, this connection will be basically removed. It will not work anymore. So first of all, you have to power on your headphones, and then we have to find the volume up and the volume down buttons. We are going to click and hold these two buttons together until this indicator turns off, and also you will hear the voice notification that they are turned off. So let's do this right now. Click and hold these two buttons and take a look for these indicators. Right now release, and in the most cases they will power on back automatically and they will move to the pairing mode, just like that. As you can see right now, when I try to select them from the list, I will have the information that the connection is unsuccessful. So we have to basically forget the device, and we can restart our Bluetooth settings on our device, and we'll find them on available devices list. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.